Welcome back, my dudes! You're here with Freddie Freed of Freedom National, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you to be a natural at filing a car insurance claim. Back in the reckless days of my youth, I had my share of fender benders, and I know that figuring out what to do next can really kill your vibe. So let me resurrect that dead vibe of yours. Numero uno. File a report with the Popo. Any insurance company is going to request a police report for an accident or even a theft. It's like dating nowadays. You need a doctor's note before you could touch anything. Same with insurance companies. They won't touch your case till they see that paper, so hold on to that accident report because you'll need the report number on hand for reference. Remember, the Popo need the pepe, or rather the paper. Numero 2. Contact the insurance company. Now that's where things get a little confusing, but here's the breakdown. Contact your own insurance company if you're the victim of car theft, a hit and run, or if you're the bonehead who caused the accident. Yep, been there, done that. But if the accident is clearly the result of someone else's messy driving skills, file with their company and not yours. And you'll file a claim with both companies if it's unclear who caused that cosmic chaos. See what I did there? Numero 3. Let the insurance company take the lead. Cooperate with their investigations. Keep your claim number handy at all times because it can be a lengthy process. By the time my first claim finished processing, we went through 4 presidents and color TVs were invented. Okay, so I'm exaggerating a bit, but still. Now, if you're found at fault, your insurance company will represent you in court. If not, the other insurance company will contact you regarding the case. Numero 4. Ask questions. It's important to ask what your insurance company covers in a situation like this and to know what your deductible is. It's all about communicado. Remember, your insurance company won't pay for anything until you pay your deductible, which means you'll need to pay out of pocket for that cost. Yeah, sucks, but true. So you might have to miss that music festival you've been saving for. That's why I never went to Woodstock. Numero 5. Get real. You might deal with some harsh realities after your claim, like seeing your insurance rate increase. Yeah, it's a drag. But this usually depends on whether or not you were the bonehead, the person at fault. Remember, dudes, you can always adjust your plan if you need to, but if your rate does go up, you can expect the rate increase to last for up to 3 years. What a bummer. But you'll drop future rates by practicing safe driving. Heck, take a friend and make a road trip out of it. Visit the great fast food joints of America or something. Here at Freedom National, your driving history doesn't matter. We don't judge. We help each other to stay on the safe highway to freedom. Whoa, that was good. I need to write that down. Want to know more about navigating this winding road we call auto insurance? Go to freedomnational.com to get fast, cheap, free auto quotes no matter how many or what kind of drivers need coverage. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more of my Freddie Free philosophy. Until next time, be free and safe, my dudes.